Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel here at Strathfield. There are major delays going on at the moment. Here we have a Blacktown service which is running about 30-35 minutes late. A32 is the set. Just been notified that all trains off platform 6 are running 30 to 45 minutes late due to signal problems at Chatswood. Late running Richmond service, A8. Train's running about 30 minutes late. Late running Richmond service now departing platform 6. Again, this train is running about half an hour late. The set is A8. I'll only be filming trains off platform 6 because that's where the delay is today. Again, the delay is due to signal repairs at Chatswood. For the record, I'll just record this endeavour. It's returning from Bathurst. The set is N6. Epping service now departing platform 6. The set is A36. This train's running about 45 minutes late. Yes, 45 minutes late. The Waratah to your left is A9. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, plus favourite the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.